So how do you change the Google Calendar background color? Let me explain how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, you're gonna see that when you go to the Google Calendar, you can set up the events as much as you want, right? And obviously the events have their own like settings where you can change the like color for that event, right? So you have that option. So that is what you're gonna do for particular events. However, if you mean like the UI and whether the background is like white or dark, this gets adopted from the iPhone's dark mode settings. So if you go to the control center and hold down on the brightness controller, you have the ability to enable the dark mode like that. And as you can tell, the same thing will be replicated, or it will also show up on the iPhone's Google Calendar app, right? So it kind of uses the iPhone settings for the background. You can kind of set it up in the main settings app by going to the display and brightness, and at the top you have the appearance, so the same thing, but also you have the automatic option. So a lot of people have the scheduling in place, which just means that when, for example, the sun goes down, the phone switches to the dark mode, which applies across the board and for the Google Calendar app as well. So it kind of depends on how you want to have it, but just know that the app takes the settings from the iPhone's dark mode. So that's all that I really wanted to show you in this video. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.